Hello and welcome back to my channel Dr. Coffee. This is Dr. Kushagar Gautam and it's the fourth episode of Dr. Coffee. Today I'm going to talk about the ketchup of coffees. It's the coffee that goes with everything. It's Kanko Smooth. Kanko Smooth is an instant coffee made after medium roast. It has a smooth texture, granules and a great golden brown color. In this video I'm going to talk about characteristics of Kanko Smooth and rate each of the 5 characters out of 5. Uses of Kanko Smooth, don'ts associated with Kanko Smooths. So let's get into it. First character I want to talk about is the aroma of coffee granules. It has distinct sweet milk chocolate aroma. I'll give it 4 out of 5. Second character I want to talk about is the fragrance of prepared cup. It has smooth citrus smell. I'll give it 4 out of 5. Third character I want to talk about is the caffeine content or the strength of the coffee. It has medium caffeine content. It won't make you crazy high, but it will give you enough caffeine to maintain a high for 2 to 3 hours. I'll give it 3.5 out of 5. Fourth thing I want to talk about is flavors. It doesn't have much flavors, but it has a little bit of creaminess. I'll give it 2 out of 5. Last character I want to talk about is the taste. It tastes same as hot and cold. When you prepare the cup, the taste of sugary water perfectly counterbalances the harshness of the coffee. It's an easy coffee to drink, even if you are trying black coffee for the first time. I'll give it 3.5 out of 5. Now let's talk about the uses of Kanko Smooth. First use, it's a great coffee for first timers. It's actually one of the 2 coffees I would recommend for beginners. You can drink it and realize what part of coffee experience you like the most and choose your next coffee accordingly. You can use it when you are not sure what mood you are in. It can be used if you don't know what lies ahead in your day. It can be used in the evening if you know you have work to do but you still have to go to sleep. It can be used with milk or black. Last thing I want to talk about is don'ts associated with it. The only don't I want to talk about is don't keep the coffee bottle for a long time. It has a short shelf life. It tends to go bad, especially in the monsoon, after opening it. The last thing I want to add is it's rare coffee to get in India. I tasted it in 2016 for the first time when my friend bought it from overseas trip. In searching for 3 years, I found it on Amazon for a brief period of 2 to 3 days, and luckily I ordered 2 bottles. So if you want to try it, you would have to order it from European or American Amazon, or be vigilant enough if it comes to sale on Amazon.in. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Goodbye.